dear heads and members of delegations, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me cordially welcome you in Turkmenistan and express my gratitude for having accepted the invitation to attend our today's meeting. As you know, Turkmenistan considers the platform of the Economic Cooperation Organization as an important platform for constructive dialogue on economic cooperation between our countries. Despite the fact that Turkmenistan is an associated member of the organization, our country is one of the active participants and the author of many projects and initiatives aimed at the full support and effective development of regional cooperation. The construction of transnational railways, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Iran, and Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan. Project of laying the fiber optic line, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, as well as the creation of transit transport corridors, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Iran, Oman, and Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Georgia, and Turkey. There are a number of other transport projects along the lines north-south, east-west, the implementation of which directly meets interests of our countries, opens up opportunities for cooperation with other states of the Eurasian space. I want to draw special attention to the importance of participation in these projects of brotherly Afghanistan, which is gradually becoming an active entity and integral part of economic partnership, with the support of entire world community and the person of the United Nations, other large and authoritative international and regional structures, is a prerequisite that can make the transport development vector creative and progressive. Dear participants of the meeting, formation of modern transport and transit infrastructure, involvement of new territories in it today means not only the growth of freight turnover, reduction of travel time, additional investments and other obvious advantages, but also the creation of new jobs, construction of social facilities. Exactly people, their vital needs must always be the measure of development and progress, and this fully applies to the sphere of transport. In this regard, in conclusion of my statement, I would like to continue actively and effectively participate in this significant and much needed undertakings for the benefit of developing cooperation and prosperity in our region. Thank you for attention.